Welcome back to our channel. Today we are embarking on an in-depth comparison of pursuing a Master of Science in Business Analytics, commonly known as MSBA in the United Kingdom versus the United States. If you're contemplating whether to advance your analytics education, stay tuned as we dissect program structures, course, career prospects, and more to help you make an informed decision. The MSBA is a specialized degree designed to equip students with the skills to analyze complex data and drive strategic business decisions. Both the UK and the USA offer esteemed programs, each with unique attributes. In the UK, institutions like Imperial College Business School, University of Manchester, and the University of Edinburgh are renowned for their MSBA offerings. Meanwhile, in the USA, universities such as MIT Sloan, UCLA Anderson, and the University of Texas at Austin lead the fight. A significant difference lies in the program duration. The UK MSBA programs typically span 12 months, offering an accelerated path to graduation. This intensive format is ideal for students eager to re-enter the workforce promptly. Conversely, in the USA, MSBA programs often range from 10 to 18 months, with some extending up to 2 years. This allows for a more in-depth exploration of subjects, internships, and networking opportunities. Both countries offer robust curricula covering core areas like data mining, machine learning, and business strategy. However, there are nuances. UK programs often emphasize practical applications and may include consultancy projects with industry partners. For instance, the University of Bath's MSBA program incorporates practical tracks and team challenges, collaborating with companies like Deloitte and KPMG. In the USA, there's a strong focus on integrating technology with business, and many programs offer STEM designations, providing international students with extended post-study work opportunities. Admission criteria vary between the two countries as well. In the UK, applications typically need a 3-year undergraduate degree, a competitive GMAT or GRE score, and relevant work experience, though some programs may waive test requirements. In the USA, a 4-year undergraduate degree is standard, along with GMAT or GRE scores and professional experience. Some institutions may also require prerequisite coursework in quantitative subjects. Financial considerations are crucial. In the UK, tuition fees for MSBA programs range from £18,000 to £30,000, which is approximately 18.5 to 30.5 lakhs for international students. Living expenses vary by city but average around £12,000, which is roughly 12 lakh per year. In the USA, tuition can range from £25,000 to £80,000 per year, which is approximately 20 lakh to 66 lakh, with living costs ranging between $15,000 to $20,000 annually, or roughly 12.5 to 6.5 lakh, depending on the location and lifestyle. Both countries offer scholarships and financial aid to international students like you. In the UK, universities and organizations provide various scholarships based on merit and need. In the USA, numerous scholarships and assistantships are available, and some programs offer tuition waivers or stipends in exchange for research or teaching assistance. Post-graduation employment prospects are a pivotal factor. In the USA, MSBA graduates can expect average starting salaries around $95,000 per year, which is approximately 79 lakhs, with top earners exceeding $120,000 or about 1 crore, especially in tech hubs like San Francisco and New York. In the UK, starting salaries for MSBA graduates range from £40,000 to £60,000, which translates to 40 to 60 lakhs, with higher figures in London and for roles in finance and consulting. Understanding post-study work opportunities is essential as well. In the US, MSBA programs often have STEM designation, allowing international graduates to apply for a 24-month OPT extension, totaling up to 36 months of work authorization. Whereas in the UK, the graduate route visa permits international students to stay and work for up to 2 years post-graduation or 3 years for PhD graduates. With its thriving finance, consulting, and tech sectors, the UK offers a strong platform for global careers. When it comes to industry preferences, UK and US have distinct advantages based on your career goals. In the US, MSBA graduates often find roles in tech giants like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, as well as major consulting firms like McKinsey and BCG. The focus here is heavily on cutting-edge analytics and AI-driven business strategies. In UK, which leans towards roles in finance, consulting, and the public sector. Networking events and partnerships with global firms like HSBC, EY, and Rolls-Royce provide opportunities for professionals to thrive in business-centric roles. With so many factors to consider, how do you decide between UK and US for your MSBA? Key points for choosing the UK. Shorter program duration saves time and costs. Thriving finance and consulting sectors, easier post-graduation visa process through graduate route, rich cultural and academic tradition. Then we have key points for choosing the USA. Higher earning potential and more job opportunities in tech, extended work visa opportunities through STEM OPT, greater focus on cutting-edge analytics and technology integration, and strong emphasis on internships and networking. Ultimately, your choice should align with your career aspirations, financial considerations, and preferred work environment. The decision between pursuing an MSB in the UK or USA isn't about which is better. It's about which fits your goals. Both destinations offer incredible opportunities to thrive in the world of business analytics. So where will your MSBA journey take you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into global education and career opportunities. See you in the next video.